Welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. CA and engineers can be policemen, says Parrikar. Change in rules for recruitment process of PSIs. 50% seats would be reserved for Goans in proposed NIT. CM to restructure higher education system with the help of IIT. Surendra Furtado, new mayor of Panji. Banto Lawrence, deputy mayor. Babushi's panel wins both seats. Parrikar loses his hold over CCP. Women dance to the tunes of Dol and Tashe. First Romta male by women in Savode Kuchere. Women conquer another male bastion. $268 government primary schools with less than 15 students. CM says successful family planning one factor behind less strength in schools. School clusters can save the system. Salgaonkar beat Prayag United. Captain Luciano scores match winner in floodlight I-League match at Tilak Stadium. And Sports Minister Ramesh Tawattkar opens upgraded Tilak Stadium for I-League football. Salgaonkar and Prayag United play under floodlights at Vasco. Now the news in detail. Chartered accountants, engineers can now be police sub-inspectors. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that rules and regulations of recruitment of PSIs will be changed next month. Moreover, he has extended the age limit from 25 to 28 years for PSI. Education Minister informed the House that 50% seats are reserved for Goans in proposed NIT in the state. IIT CM will also take help of IIT institutes to restructure higher education system in the state.
Science is being used to commit crime also. In such circumstances, I feel that some of the PSIs should be chartered accountant. Some of the PSIs should be engineering experts. Some, maybe 10%, 15%. आयज म्हाका सांगपाक आनंद जाता की PSIच्या हातून amendment already हांवें केल्लें आसा जातून भितर along with other graduates हे polytechnic qualification is being accepted for purpose of PSI post. आनी अनेक गोष्ट केल्या ती सांगता कारण हे शिक्षणाची आहा म्हणून वयूय बरोबर 28 वर्सां केल्ले आसा कारण we want staff who have LLB knowledge, we have staff who are MBAs, who have MCO, who have done post graduation. 25 वर्सांचे रिस्ट्रिक्शन आशिल्ले ह्या फाटल्या हाका लागना रिक्रुटमेंट चालू आहा ताका लागना फुडल्या हाका लागत जाता आर आमी बदलल्या येणाऱ्या 15 दिसांनी म्हयन्या भितर नोटिफिकेशन येतलें आनी शेवटी हातून एक झगडी आशिल्ली ती झगडी हांवें सेटल करून घेतल्या म्हणजे 50% सीट गोंयकारांक रिजर्व आसूंक जाय नाजाल्यार आमी गोंयान अनेकदां फायली इन्स्टिट्यूशन हाडटात आनी ते कांय कॅरूच करना मागीर आमकां त्यामुळे हातून भितर ते प्रोविजन आसा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आनी हे कॉम्प्युटर सायन्स बी आसा पळय तातूंत 3Dचे प्रिंटींग टॅक्नॉलॉजीचो कोर्स फुडल्या वर्सा इंट्रोड्यूस करपाचो म्हजो प्रयत्न 3D ही नवी टॅक्नॉलॉजी आयल्या जाचेर तुमी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वस्तू गोंयान तयार जाता खूब जाणांक खबर ना एज्युकेशन हबाची कॉन्सेप्ट आसा ह्या डिसेंबराच्या पयलीं ताजेर आमी वर्किंग सुरू करतले म्हणजे फुडल्या एकाडेमीक इयराक सम गूड कॉलेजीस इन डिफरंट फिल्ड्स कॅन कम law colleges can, top law college can come, top engineering management college can come. Speaker sir हांव इतलेंच सांगता की bursary scheme will come into force before this academic year. कल्पना अशी आहे की बारीक बारीक कोर्स जर तूं ग्रांट इन एड आसत जाल्यार ताका पयशे भुरग्यांक पे करपाक जमना एक एकदां पेरंट्सांक एकदम 50,000 30,000 म्हणून आमी अशें केलां की 45,000 रुपया पर्यंत ज्या कोर्साची फी आसा ताका 30,000 रुपया पर्यंत बर्सरीच्या अंडर इंटरेस्ट फ्री लोन मेळटलें गॅरंटी बी कांय गरज ना स्वताची सही हाज्या पलीकडे एब्सोल्युटली आवश्यक ना.
Finally, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar lost hold over city corporation in his hometown. Surendra Furtado is the new mayor of Panji Corporation. He won by 2 votes. Bento Lawrence from Babush's panel is elected as deputy mayor. Both were elected by 16-14 votes through secret ballot. Babush has termed this result as a shame for CM.
In a dramatic election for the post of mayor and deputy mayor, Babush's panel won both the posts. Presiding officer Sanjit Rodriguez preferred to take voting through secret ballot box. He gave 2 ballot papers to elect mayor and deputy mayor. Surendra Furtado won with 16 votes, whereas BJP-supported candidate Tony Rodriguez got 14 votes. Bento Lorenzo received 16, while Shubham Chopdekar got 14 votes for the post of deputy mayor. BJP lost the election merely by 2 votes. Commenting on Chief Minister's interference in the CCP election process, Congress MLA Babush Monserrat said, "It's a shame for Manohar Parrikar."
Fight is there, it is good for people to see. And it is, I always believe, when you get kicked, you become more stronger. So we came out victorious and we came out very strong. It is in fact a shame to the Chief Minister. He should hang his head in disgrace.
Addressing corporators after taking over as the new mayor, Surendra Furtado assured that he would interact with individual corporator by visiting their wards every Saturday. He also said that he will work hand in hand with Chief Minister to get JNNRUM funds and government funds for the development of Panji city. Sadly, he did not mention investigation into the market scam where many corporators from Babush's last panel are allegedly involved.
I do not know why the officer in charge was so much in a hurry to send notice. It is good that he has done, but he should have waited for 2 days for us, for the new committee to decide how to go about. Anyway, let the law take its own course.
What about is there any time frame for the doing a market scam and all?
I have just taken 2 minutes back.
Yeah.
Let me sit with the officer, inquiry officer, and I'll get back to you.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Who says that only men are well versed with dole and tache? Women too can conquer this male bastion. In Sawadev, women under the banner of Mahila Shigmotsav Samiti celebrated a unique Shigmo with their own Romta male. Here is a special report. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.